Hey, it's Danielle, and today we're going to clean our toaster because it probably needs to get done, and you probably don't want to replace it. So the first thing you want to do is you can pull out these little trays if yours have it. That allows you to just pull it out, empty it, wash it, whatever you need to do. Now, obviously, this is not going to be enough for most people. If you actually use your toaster or have 6 people using it, you probably have a lot going on. You're going to want to unplug your toaster. And you can take a screwdriver and just unscrew the screws that are at the bottom of your toaster. Mine used this weird super small star bit. Makes absolutely no sense because they could have used something easier like a Phillips head, but yeah. Okay, I think it's a CRV110. No, but if you have a bunch of star bits, try one until it works. It should be a small one because, yeah, they wanted to make this complicated. So at this point, when you start pulling the top/bottom apart, you're going to find that a lot of the crumbs that were trapped in there start to fall out. And this is pretty much the bulk of the job. Even though it doesn't feel like you're really doing much, a lot of this is being able to shake it out a little easier. Main thing to remember is that you don't want to be too rough with it because there's small mechanical parts and electronics that you don't want to break. Might have done enough. Don't see a lot in there now. Let's see. You can go ahead and just vacuum up anything that comes out. You use a little small vacuum tube to just vacuum out the inside if you have any extra issues, or use a small brush. Afterwards, you just need to close it back up. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to check out my blog post, DIYDanielle.com, and have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.